considers the amount that is involved in this matter and gives conditions that will ensure that the accused appear in court.
Accused may be released on bond of Kenya shillings 5 million with a surety of similar amount. In the alternative, each accused may be released on cash bail of Kenya shillings 2 million. And then the matter will be mentioned on the 23rd of May, the year 2024, before court number 1 for pre-trial purposes and further orders in this matter. So the accused ensure that you attend court whenever you are required. Failure to do so will lead to the bond being cancelled. So those are the orders of the court.
Ludovica Ngera Gashara, Jerusha Waidera Wambui, Samuel Bugi Gashuki, Peter Mburu Mwangi, Charles Chwaga Ndungu, Jane Rose Mdoni Wachira, Titus Bui Kario.
Naguo uheani wa kigina kia Uwezo Fund gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya